Welcome and welcome back to another video with your girl Net. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I came up with this delicious recipe, which is my lemon loaf cakes. I seen how you guys went crazy over my last loaf cakes, so I decided to do some lemon loaf cakes. So on your way in, if you could please give me a like, comment, and also subscribe. I really do appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here I have a list of everything that you're gonna need, so you can go ahead and take a screenshot. Also, we will be following the directions on the box, so keep that in mind. So we're gonna start off by adding our cake box mix, and we're gonna mix everything that's on the back of the box inside of the cake mix. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of water. Now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of cooking oil or vegetable oil. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and crack our 3 eggs. Now we're just going to mix our ingredients up together just to make sure everything is well incorporated. Now we don't want to overbeat our mix because then it'll be just make everything loose. So just make sure it's a nice consistency. So right here I'm going to go ahead and use these little tin pans which I got off of Amazon, and I will leave everything listed down below so I don't leave you guys hanging. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my ice cream scooper and add about 2 scoops of the cake batter into each tin. That's just to ensure that it don't overfill and go over the top. So I took the measurements of just having 2 scoops and it worked out perfect for me. So once we filled our tins, I already have the oven on 350. We're gonna go ahead and sit these inside of the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and golden brown at the top. And now while the cake is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and start with our frosting. So I'm gonna be using about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and y'all, I'm free pouring this because I already have an idea how much 1 tablespoon is, so I'm just basically eyeballing it. Now this is the tedious part, so we're gonna go ahead and blend all this together until we create a nice cream, and this might take up to 15 minutes before you start noticing it thickening. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to stir. So once you start seeing bubbles at the top, we're gonna go ahead and add our powdered sugar, and we're gonna gradually add our sugar because you don't want your cream to be lumpy. So we're gonna make sure it's nice and smooth by adding a little bit at a time. So now once you mix your powdered sugar, we're gonna go ahead and add our 1 box of vanilla pudding mix, and we're gonna add the entire thing to it, but we're gonna add it gradually so it can be nice and smooth. So as you can see, it's getting thick at this point, and this is perfect right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue to stir, make sure it's nice and thick. So these are our cakes out of the oven. I'll let them cool down a bit, and I put our cream inside of a piping bag. And as you guys can see, I am really trying with my piping technique, so I really do hope you guys enjoy how I am doing it. But I'm just doing little swirls. After the second one, I just really got the hang of it, so it went kind of quick after this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. So as you guys can see right here, I garnished them with some lemon, and it was so good, nice and moist. It wasn't too sweet. It was just perfect. So I really hope you guys try this recipe. Thanks for watching, and you guys stay safe out there. Can't wait to see y'all in my next video. Peace.